Most people think they have one credit report, but you really have three main credit reports. One from Equifax, one from Experian, and one from TransUnion. These are three separate companies. They do not share one master file. So your reports can look similar, but they may not match. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Understand the differences between credit bureaus, learn why your reports don't match, discover how to fix errors effectively, identify real problems across all reports, and master the art of comparing your credit reports. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Risk profile. The overall story. Your credit report tells about how risky you may look to a furnisher, a company that sends account information to the credit bureaus. Dispute. A request asking a credit bureau or company to check information you believe is wrong. Charge-off. An account the lender marked as a serious loss after it went unpaid for a collection. A debt that was sent or sold to a collection company. FCRA. A federal law that gives you rights related to your credit reports. Metro 2. A format many companies use to send account data to the credit bureaus. Now let's jump in. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. That means your report tells a story about how risky you look to lenders, landlords, banks, insurers, and other companies. If one bureau shows a collection and another does not, the company checking that bureau may see a different version of your story. A lender or collection company is called a furnisher when it sends account data to the bureaus. Some furnishers report to all three bureaus. Some report to only one or two. Some stop reporting for a while. That is why a credit card, loan, collection, or charge-off may appear on Experian, but not on Equifax or TransUnion. If you dispute an error on Equifax and Equifax fixes it, that does not force Experian or TransUnion to fix their copies. Each bureau has its own file and its own process. Think of it like fixing your address at one store. That does not update your address at every other store in town. Different does not always mean wrong. One report may update faster than another. One bureau may use a different layout. One may list a name or address in a slightly different way. But some differences are serious. Wrong balances, accounts that are not yours, duplicate collections, old dates, or incorrect late payments need a closer look. The smart move is to compare reports side by side. Start with personal information. Then check open accounts, closed accounts, collections, charge-offs, public records, and inquiries. An inquiry is a record that someone checked your credit. Look for accounts that appear in only one place. Wrong dates, wrong balances, or anything you do not recognize.